Yes, guys, let's hear what I made today. Yes, welcome again to the tutorial. My name is Joe Fox at EZ. See, so today I just make a song of Migos called a Training. Training. So thank you for being connected with me. Yeah, shout out for those who like, comment, yeah, and give me some subs. So today also I just arrange already my song here. I just use almost 1 hour and a half to make this song. Let me show you how I play my first things up to my end thing. So I just use play a pattern, 10 pattern for this beat. Yeah, so I just show you 1 up to 10. So thank you. Here we go. Yes, the first thing I play, it is a grand piano from Afrobeat. You see, yeah, this one. I just play simple like this one and sound like this one. Yeah, so after that I just add this equalizer. You see, yeah, equalizer to before equalizer sound like this one. Yeah, after equalizing, yeah, I think you can get the concept. So after that I just play the second one. This one, and it sound like this one. Also I just equalizing this sound by putting in this one, yeah, cut highs on my equalizer. So before it sound like this one, so when you put equalizer, it sound like this one. Yeah, all the way. So after that I just play my kick. My first kick is my kick and sound like this one. Yeah, after that I play my AOS, my first AOS at 808, and the settings is a trim. Just use trim here, and this one just allow decay, so it sounds like this one. Yeah, after that I play this fruit. Is from FM fruit from Citrus. When you come here, you come to FM fruit. This one FM fruit. So just select this one. So it sound like this one. Yeah, nice. After that, I just play again, but in low octave, octave one down from the first one. Yeah. After that, I play my hi-hat. I just go down crazy, as you see. After that, I just play my open hi-hat. Yeah. After that, I add this one, my second A08. No, so sound like this one. I just use the same settings, yeah, I just allow some decay. So after that, the other thing I play, it is this one, my crab. I have my crab. I just see my kick sound like this one. Yeah. So after that, I just added snare to this one. Yeah, so both time it sound like this one. Yeah, after that, let's see. Yeah, the first drum goes sound like this one with my AI, so it sound like this one. Yeah, and my second one is in this part. This part. Yeah, so I give you time to see a little this instrumental where will be available to my channel. So thank you for connecting with me. My name is Joe Foxa. Easy. Subscribe if you're new here. Like and comment. So thank you and ciao.